Hey everyone, welcome to Data Cleaning and Transformation, Part 5, Transposing the Data to Time Series. So in this video, we're going to transpose our data so that it looks like a more typical time series data set. So let's go ahead and look at the USA cases here. And you can see that the dates are in the columns and the series of values for each state are rows. So typically time series has the dates go down the rows like this. So that's what we're going to do here. There's nothing inherently wrong with keeping the shape like this with the dates in the columns, but it's just more typical to see the dates running down the rows over here and then the column names being the individual time series. So what we're going to do is we're just simply going to transpose it like this with the capital T attribute. And then the other thing we'll do in this step is we're going to make sure this is a date time index in pandas to give us a little bit better date time manipulation. So right now they are strings. Pandas just read this in as strings. So we're going to do a little conversion. Okay, so let's go into the function here. And yeah, it just says transpose it, and then it says make sure to convert the dates to date time data type. Okay, so all we're going to do at first, we're just going to transpose it. So a simple transpose, we're just going to write it to the same variable name. And then we're just going to overwrite the index. So we're going to use the toDateTime pandas function and just convert all of those strings into dates, and pandas knows how to do it, and there's a wide variety of strings it can convert to dates, and so that's one of the it fits one of the types that it recognizes, so it will be able to convert this to a proper date time. Okay, so let's go ahead and test this function out. Say transpose to TS, and we'll pass it in the USA cases data, and as we can see, everything looks good. And it has this is now a date time, and you can tell the format is different. It's not just month / day / year. It's in a more formal format, indicating that it did the transformation correct. All right, now the last thing to do here is we're just going to update the run function again. So let's go up here and copy the old run function, and then we will update it here. This will be step 4. Say transpose to TS, and we'll say step 4. And now I will say run 5. We're up to run 5, and we'll just double check that. We'll just look at the world this time, and that we have the dates over here, and that we have the columns as the country names. Okay, so that does it for transposing the data to time series.